How to get Factor Meals coupon codes and discount. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can get Factor Meals coupon codes and discount. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're new on Factors or if you have signed into Factor for the first time, you are in luck. Just by signing up, there is a certain amount of discount and also free shipping on the Factor. So I am already logged in, and as on the home page, there is a section that says Get Offer, where it says enjoy fresh, ready to eat meals delivered to your doors and get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. So this is the offer that you can get. To get this offer, click on Get Offer button, and that's gonna take you different page where you have to follow the on-screen instructions, select your meals, and here it says enjoy 50% off of your first box and 20% off on your next 5 box. So these are the offers that you can get. So follow all of this on-screen instructions, and then once you complete this process, you will get your offers at the last page, or you will find your offers at the last page on the checkout and the fees. So here you can see certain amount as discounted from my total box due to the offer. So if you're a student, teacher, nurse or veteran, Factors also includes exclusive discounts up to 65% off on your first box or 15% off on your next 12 months. So for that you have to verify your student bins or ID. And also Factor runs the flash sales during the events such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday or summer, which will also give you certain amount of discount. So make sure that you keep your eye out for their homepage pop-up game, and sometimes it unlocks the extra deals as well. For that you have to keep your eye out on the homepage of Factor Meals. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.